Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I'm a foundation level student at Rehan School Life at Campus Islamabad. And today I am doing my TEDx talk review. And my topic is Why You Will Fail to Have a Great Career by Larry Smith. I hope you all are doing well today. I'm excited to share my review of the one of the most honest and thought-provoking TEDx talk I have watched. This TEDx talk is not about how to become successful. Instead, it's about something even more important, explain why so many people never achieve the career they truly dream of. Larry Smith delivers his message with humor, passion, and honesty, but the lesson he shares are powerful and unforgettable. The main message of the TEDx talk is that most people does not fail because they lack talent or intelligence. They fail because they never truly pursue their passion instead of following what they genuinely love. Many people settle for comfort, security, or the expectations of others. Larry Smith explained that many of us spend years making excuses. We say things like, I will start later, I am waiting for the right opportunity, or it's too risky. Over time, these excuses become the biggest obstacle to our dream. We begin to accept our ordinary life, even though deep inside we know we are capable for much more. Another important point Larry makes is that fear often control our decision. Many people are afraid of failure, rejection, criticism, and uncertainty. Instead of chasing their dream, they choose the safer path simply because it feels comfortable. But comfort rely leads to greatness. Every successful person has taken risky, faced setbacks, and continued moving forward despite uncertainty. Watching this study inspired TEDx talk on the TED platform reminded me that only have one life to live. If we spend it doing something that does not inspire us, we may eventually regret not giving our dream a chance. Another lesson I learned is that success is not achieved overnight. Finding meaningful workplace, patience, and learning hard work and continuous self improvement. We should never stop developing and our skills because every new experience brings us closer to the career or to live on. But before I conclude, I want to leave you with one final thought. Don't let fear decide your future. Don't settle for a life that feels safe but leaves you wondering. What if discover what excites you and work hard every single day and have the courage to chase your dream, even when the journey seems uncertain? Your passion was given to you for a reason, and the world needs the unique talent that only you can offer. Thank you so much for watching. This is my TEDx Talk review. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad.